Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll build a JavaScript program to compute the exponents of a number using recursion. Now, exponents are an essential part of math and computing, and recursion helps us understand repeated multiplication. So let's dive in and explore how this works with a simple recursive function. First, let's understand the problem. We want to find the result of a base number raised to the power using recursion. For example, 8 squared equals 8 times 8, which is 64. We'll use a recursive approach, breaking down the explanation one step at a time. Let's look at the JavaScript code that implements this. We define a function named exponent with two parameters, a, which is the base, and n, which is the exponent. If n is 0, we return 1, as any number to the power of 0 is still 1. Otherwise, we return a times the result of the calling exponent, a and n minus 1. This recursive call keeps multiplying until n reaches 0. This function reduces the problem by decreasing the exponent with each call. Each step multiplies the base a by the result of a smaller problem. When n hits 0, it returns 1 and stops the recursion. This structure makes it easy to understand and implement. Let's walk through an example with a base 4 and exponent 2. First, call 4 times exponent, 4 and 1. Second call, 4 times exponent, 4 and 0. Third call, 1, base case. Multiplying back up the stack gives us 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Then 4 times 4 is equal to 16. So 4 squared is equal to 16. Exponents are used everywhere in programming and beyond. They are essential for math libraries, graphics, and data analysis. Understanding recursion here helps you build more complex algorithms. Let's wrap up with a summary of what we've covered. We've built a recursive function to compute the exponent of a number. It is a simple but powerful illustration of breaking problems into smaller steps. Try applying this logic into other math problems for practice. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.